The Hindustan Ambassador holds a special place in Indian automotive history. Revered as the king of Indian roads, this classic sedan was a symbol of power and prestige for decades. However, after production ceased in 2014, car enthusiasts thought they had seen the last of this legendary vehicle. But now, the Ambassador is making a comeback, this time with a modern twist, the Hindustan Ambassador 1.81 SC. In this video, we explore the new iteration of this iconic car, its expected features, engine details, and what it means for the Indian automobile market. The legacy of the Ambassador. The Hindustan Ambassador was first introduced in India in 1958 and quickly became the preferred choice of government officials, politicians, and taxi drivers. It was known for its robust build, spacious interior, and comfortable ride. Even though the design remained largely unchanged for decades, its classic charm kept it relevant. However, due to increasing competition from modern sedans and stricter emission norms, Hindustan Motors was forced to shut down production in 2014. Now, with advancements in technology and a renewed interest in retro-styled cars, the Ambassador is set to return with a more refined and contemporary approach. The 1.81 SC engine, a game changer? One of the biggest upgrades in the Hindustan Ambassador 1.81 SC is its Toyota-sourced 1.8L1 SC engine. Toyota engines are known for their reliability, smooth performance, and fuel efficiency, making this a significant improvement over the older models. The 1.8L engine is expected to deliver a balance of power and efficiency, making the new Ambassador a competitive option in the modern sedan segment. The car will likely feature improved fuel injection technology, better emissions control, and a more refined driving experience compared to its predecessor. Modern features with classic design. While the original Ambassador had a vintage appeal, the new version will blend classic aesthetics with modern features. Expect to see retro-inspired design elements such as round headlights, a signature chrome grille, and a boxy yet elegant shape. Inside, the Ambassador is likely to come with modern technology, including touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, power steering and advanced safety features, comfortable and spacious interiors. The focus will be on maintaining the old-school charm while ensuring that the car meets contemporary expectations. Target market: who will buy the new Ambassador? The Hindustan Ambassador 1.81 SC is expected to attract a mix of buyers. Classic car lovers will appreciate the nostalgia, while government and fleet operators may consider it a practical and durable option. Additionally, professionals and families looking for a reliable and comfortable sedan may find it appealing. With the recent trend of bringing back retro-themed vehicles, such as the Maruti Suzuki Jimny and the new Tata Sierra, the Ambassador's return could spark excitement among Indian car buyers. Expected launch and pricing. While Hindustan Motors has not officially announced the launch date, rumors suggest that the new Ambassador might be unveiled in the coming years. The pricing is expected to be competitive, positioning it against premium sedans like the Honda City, Hyundai Verna, and Skoda Slavia. If the Ambassador 1.81 SC is priced between 10 to 15 Indian rupees lakh, it could attract a strong customer base, especially those looking for a combination of nostalgia and modern performance. Conclusion: will it live up to expectations? The Hindustan Ambassador 1.81 SC is not just a car, it's an emotion for many Indians. Its return is expected to bring a wave of nostalgia while offering a fresh take on a beloved classic. However, to succeed in today's competitive market, the new Ambassador will need to deliver in terms of performance, safety, and modern features. Will this modernized classic regain its throne on Indian roads? Only time will tell. Stay tuned to Z Auto Advisor for more updates on the Ambassador's revival and other exciting automobile news.